All right, so we made some more fish habitats today. Cheap. We had some just a drainage pipe laying around, so we threw it together with some old leftover concrete, and we flipped the camera around so you can see it. Alright, so this was a 4-inch drainage pipe that we had. We had some sprinkler line, some old water bottles we had laying around instead of just throwing them in the dump. So I put some screws in the bottom. There you go. There's some screws down in there, a couple of 3-inch wood screws. I drilled them through there. I filled up at least up to here with concrete down the middle. Drilled the hole, stuffed the pipe in there after we poured that concrete in there. Then you can see down in there, I tossed off a water bottle in here. So the water bottle's in the midsection, so when we throw it in the pond, it's not just gonna lay over on its side, it'll stand up and actually create a tree. And then we stuffed the top pipe, the smaller pipe in over the top to hold the water bottle in, and we'll let that cure. Said, I don't know, I think we can get quite a few of them done, and we'll set them all together and make a little forest out there. So thanks for watching. All right, this is what we came up with. There's 3 sections of that drain pipe. They're all cut to 40 inches. They have 1 drop back there we split in half. 2 rolls of sprinkler pipe, a quarter bag of concrete, and a few water bottle remnants. I put screws all in them. So we're gonna let that concrete sit overnight, and then tomorrow, if it's not raining, we're gonna try to put them in the pond.